Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dext for accounts receivable reconciliation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Dext. Press enter to navigate to the Dext website. On the homepage, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, such as your name and email address. Create a strong password for your new account. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Check any required boxes to agree to these documents. Click on the Create Account or similar button to proceed. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Dext website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option to add or link your accounting software. Select the accounting software you are using from the list. Follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Once connected, access the Accounts Receivable section. Upload any necessary documents for reconciliation. Ensure that all transactions are properly categorized. Use the reconciliation tools available in Dext to match records. Review any discrepancies highlighted by the software. Make the necessary adjustments for accurate reconciliation. Save your progress regularly to avoid data loss. Once completed, download or export your reconciliation report. Follow any additional instructions provided for your report format. Check your Downloads folder for the newly saved file. You are now ready to review your accounts receivable reconciliation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.